Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today I want to talk to you about an exciting company called Kiora Pharmaceuticals. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Kiora Pharmaceuticals, they're an ophthalmic specialty pharmaceutical company, and they're really developing therapies, hopefully, to treat a bunch of different eye diseases. So let's take a look at the leadership team. Brian Strem, PhD, is the president and CEO. They got a bunch of high-quality management teams. You know, I'm always looking for companies with outstanding leadership teams. Brian, I've heard him in a bunch of interviews. Before this, he's the co-founder. Before he was at director of Bayer Therapeutics, Ocogen. He worked at Sound Pharmaceuticals, so has a ton of experience. You know, I'm a big fan of co-founders responsible for business development, corporate strategy. So that's pretty exciting. One of the reasons I got interested in this company is they have this product, this potential third. So KIO 101 is a third generation small molecule DHODH inhibitor. Now, that DHODH is a key enzyme during a pyrimidine synthesis pathway, and it's been known to treat a bunch of different autoimmune diseases. And basically, there are two already approved DHODH inhibitors on the market, but this is really a different version. This is a different molecule, different hopefully side effects. Hopefully, the two DHODH inhibitors on the market. One's by Sanofi, is leflunomide, which is Arriva, and its active metabolite, teriflunomide, is another approved product, Aubagio. Those are all tablets approved to treat rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis. And the one thing about those two therapies that have already been approved is they really do have a big risk of hepatic toxicity, which is liver toxicity. And that's a big side effect. Actually, both of them have a black box warning, which basically is the largest type of high safety related warning that you can have on a medication that's assigned by the FDA. So the KIO 101, the interesting thing about this potential product that Kiora Pharmaceuticals is coming out with is it showed really great inhibitory concentrations at a much lower potency. You're talking 1,000 times potency when looking at the studies. So that's really incredible. And it didn't show in the animal studies, and so far in the studies so far, not any severe side effects like that, hepatic toxicity. So, and if that's not observed, so far hasn't been observed. I've seen it in the animal studies, the human studies that they've had so far. That's really fantastic. I mean, this could be a potential really big opportunity for this Kiora Pharmaceuticals. So let's take a look at the pipeline here. So here's the KIO 101 is the one I was talking about. They also have KIO 201 for eye drops, two different indications. That one's in phase 3 studies, the other's in phase 2. The KIO 201 is a hyaluronic acid, which is a naturally occurring polymer. It's important in the physiological process, definitely wound healing, homeostasis in tissues, joint lubrication. So that's pretty exciting. And then, as I was saying, the KIO 101 is a different version, a third generation molecule, KIO 101, of the DHODH inhibitor. Okay, so that's the eye drop here. And they also have KIO 301 intravitreal, which is an injection that's in phase 1 studies. So pretty exciting pipeline. Let's take a look at the stock price. Stock symbol is KPRX. KPRX, Kiora Pharmaceuticals. At the time in the video, is trading at $3.47. I do think this is one of those interesting companies. Definitely going to continue to monitor because I think there's big risk, big reward potential here. A lot of opportunity. I think I definitely will monitor this company to see what happens. They're going to have a lot of data reporting in the next few quarters here. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe, and it helps the channel grow. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.